let's get holiday glam. I have these new palettes that I am so eager to try. And yeah, I'm gonna start by laying down this shade called Crimson. And that's gonna be going in the outer corner right here. And swipe it just above my crease like this. What's everyone's plans for Christmas and New Year? Because I literally have none. None at all. All I gotta do is pack. I think I'm gonna go into a vivid purple just right above. But I also kind of want to play around with these greens. So I'm gonna pick up this shade and lay that straight here. Ooh, that's dark. That's fine. And connect. Then I think I'm gonna mix these two to make it a little less more. I find it really ironic that as a writer, someone who loves using words, I am like super bad with words. Make that make sense. So I'm just focusing on blending this now with a tiny blender brush. It's not the most fun process, but it's gonna look so good when it's done. Now we get to play around with this. I'm gonna take this red shade on the outer corner, then dipping into this gorgeous purple. I've been dying to try it out. Oh god, it's so pretty! Taking that crimson shade again, I'm just going to line out a sort of under eye, and it simply need not be super perfect as of right now because we're gonna be covering stuff in it soon. I'm gonna wet my brush and we're dipping into this gorgeous purpley shade that's gonna be going on the inner corners. And we're taking this darker shimmery purple and that's gonna be going right here. Ooh, bitch, yes. And for the finale, we wanna be going into this nice gold shimmer right by the outer corner. Let's re-intensify this under eye thingy that we created. She intense, I know, but I will rectify that very soon. I'm also going to draw a line with glitter just around here. See, it is coming together. Let me do lashes and I'll be back. I'm back and it makes sense now, right? Totally not at all scary. I may have gone overboard and finished a whole bunch, but we are gonna finish it up with the gloss together. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, it's so pretty. You know something is good when I squeal. Pun intended, I guess. Alrighty guys, that is it. I hope you really like this because I'm in love. I might not take this off at all. Yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye.